This tutorial will guide you how to enable Roblox ads. Now ensure that you follow these instructions very carefully. You can do this on the Roblox app for PC or mobile app. So follow the instructions, just select here on more, then select on settings. Now on the settings, select privacy and content restrictions. Now you'll see here ads preferences. So click on ads preferences. You can either enable, personalize your ads. When this setting is on, Roblox will personalize the ads you see based on information about you and your activity on the Roblox. Or you can either turn it off, or you can also turn off data selling and sharing. So that's how you can enable ads on Roblox. It's very easy. You can either turn on personalize your ads. Also, you can turn on the data selling and sharing. Or maybe if you don't see this option for ads preferences, you may need to check your age. According to reports, they say you gotta be at least the age of 21 plus to be able to see this option for ads preferences. Maybe if your age is 21 plus, you may need to check your age by selecting here back, then click back again, click back. Now select on account info on the settings, and then make sure your age is at least 21 plus. If your age is below 21 plus, you may not see the ads preferences option on your settings. So maybe you can update the age to match your exactly age by selecting here on the birthday update option, and then make sure your age is at least 21 plus to be able to enable ads on Roblox. So that's how you can enable ads. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.